Pawar and I would be presenting the story of the storybook Princess, and the author is Plum Kuntiero. Choman is a child who likes listening to stories. His father always tells stories to him. Dad, I want to hear a story, Choman says. His father begins. Once upon a time, a couple working in a firewood choppers had 7 children. The youngest child was as small as a thumb. Choman then interrupts that why is he as small as a thumb? Because he eats very little and grows slowly, his father says. Why does he eat very little? Choman asks. Because his family is poor. Why are his older siblings normal? Now, do you want to hear the story or not? His father says. I want to, Choman says. But I want to hear a different story. I know this story already. His father begins another story. Once upon a time, lakes and ponds dried out. A cow flew to find water. It saw a jar half full of water and it drank the water in the jar. Choman interrupts. Then the crow carried pebbles one by one. But wouldn't the crow get tired? Dad, now do you want to hear the story or not? His father asked. I want to, Choman said, but I want to hear another story. I know this one already. Will you interrupt me again? His father asks. I promise I won't, Choman says. Choman's father opens the book again and starts reading another story. Once the sun and wind made a bet. Dad, why is the sun so hot? Choman asks. Didn't you promise to stop interrupting me? His father said. I'm sorry, Choman says. That's enough for tonight, son. His father says. I think you already know all these stories. Good night. Okay, Dad, Choman says sadly. He hugs the book and falls asleep. That night, Choman hears the sound of a book opening. He gets up to check. Choman says to himself, Dad didn't make that noise. Hello, Choman calls out. Who are you? Hello? Hello, the girl says. Little finger. Choman is curious. Strange. Your name is Little Finger. You're also strange, Ring Finger, she says. Choman frowns. My name is not Ring Finger, he says. Where are you from, Middle Finger? She says, ignoring Choman's question. Why don't you answer my question? Choman asks. Index finger, she says. What do fingers have to do with anything? Choman says. Where are you from? Thumb, she says. Choman feels angry. Why don't you answer my question? He says, don't you like questions? I don't mean to bother you, but I like my book back. German takes the book from the girl. The girl smiles and says, thank you for asking so many questions. Even though I didn't answer them, I am a character in a story. Why didn't you answer my question? German asks. I am a princess who can answer questions. The girl says, a witch put a curse on me that stops me from answering questions. German becomes more curious. But why do you answer now? He asks the girl. Responds with a smile. Because you asked more than 5 questions and broke the spell. That's more questions than the witch has fingers on her hand. German smiles and asks, why did you come here? I was bored, the princess says. I wanted to listen to your father's stories, but you interrupted him all the time. German laughs because it was true. German opens the book. If you want to listen, I will read you the story, he says. The princess replies excitedly, really? I would love to hear a story. German starts to read the story about the boy who was as small as a thumb. He reads the story and adds gestures with his hands. The princess listened carefully to every word. After a while, the princess begins to feel sleepy. Thank you for the story, she says, but I am sleepy right now. Good night, princess, says German. I am sleepy as well. German and the princess both fall asleep. When German wakes up, the princess is gone. His father comes in the room. Son, what are you looking for? He asks. Nothing, Dad, German says. Hurry up and get dressed for school, his father says. German smiles at the storybook. He eats breakfast and then his father takes him to school. That night, German says to his father, Dad, tonight I will tell you a story. What story? His father asks. The princess who can't answer questions. German says. German and his father have a very happy night. Thank you.